Stop wasting your time Googling how to make money online without results. What if I told you there's a tool that can turn plain text into full-blown human avatar videos that actually talk like us and help you make $750 a day without showing your face or hiring a single freelancer? Hello, hustlers. Welcome back to another game-changing tool that could seriously level up your passive income game. Today we're diving into Humanify, a wild new faceless video creator that lets you generate realistic talking head videos with AI humans in minutes. No script writing skills, no voiceovers, and no camera headaches. Just type your text, pick an avatar, and boom, you've got a ready-to-post video that looks and sounds human enough to make people stop scrolling and start watching. As crazy as the intro might sound, the realistic features back every promise made. Real human avatars. Make videos with lifelike AI humans. No camera or face needed. Just type and watch. Write your script. The avatar talks like a real person. No voice, no editing. Skip the mic, skip the editor. It's all handled by AI. Works everywhere. Use it for YouTube, Reels, Shorts, even ads. Easy customization. Add music, text, and your brand. No skills needed. Commercial license included. Sell videos to clients. Start a faceless video agency from day one. One-time payment. No monthly headache. Pay once and use it forever. As stated earlier, even the absolute beginners are making a 3-figure income every day with Humanify. Here's how. Step 1. Pick your topic. Choose any niche you like. Finance, reviews, health, or whatever's trending. Step 2. Add your script. Write it yourself or paste one in. Humanify turns it into a real talking head video with voice, avatar, and background. Step 3. Customize and polish. Change the voice. Pick your avatar. Add music or text if you want. No editing experience needed. Step 4. Download and post-export your video and upload it on YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you want to grow. The best part? The app is priced at just $16.95. A one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund. No questions asked. So, is Humanify AI worth a shot? If you want to build a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face or recording anything and start making up to $500 a day through ad revenue and affiliate links, then Humanify is the tool you should definitely start using right now. Anyways, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So, if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.